Welcome to Franchising After 45, finding clarity in your next chapter. This is for the successful woman ready for what's next. Let me ask you something honest. You've done everything right. You built the career. You showed up. You carried a lot. So why does your next chapter still feel unclear? If you're a successful woman wondering what's next but terrified of making the wrong move, I want you to know something. You're not confused. You're at a transition point. Now let's talk about who I am and how I can help you. I'm Phyllis Pieri. I've spent over 40 years in franchising, not selling franchises, but helping women avoid expensive mistakes and choose businesses that actually fit their lives. My clients aren't beginners. They're leaders, executives, mothers, caregivers, women who are done guessing. Let's be honest about the real barrier holding you back. What I see isn't a lack of options. It's overwhelmed, too many franchises, too much noise, and there's a quiet fear of choosing wrong, especially at this stage of life. That fear is valid. This isn't a trial run season. Let's change the way you think about franchising. Franchising, when done right, isn't about starting over. It's about using proven systems, so your experience finally works for you. The key is support. You're in business for yourself, but definitely not by yourself. Here's what makes my approach different and why it works. I don't start with brands, I start with you. We look at your lifestyle, your values, your financial comfort level, and how you actually want to spend your time. I hold myself to a high standard of safety and integrity. If I wouldn't recommend it to my own daughter, I won't recommend it to you. That's my promise. So, how do we actually move forward? It's a simple human process. First, we get clear on your life. Then we narrow the noise. Then we validate together, and only then do you decide. This is your transition, and it happens on your terms. There's no pressure, no rush, and absolutely no sales tactics. If this resonates with you, I've created a short franchise fit quiz that helps you think like an owner, not a salesperson. It's private, pressure-free, and designed to help you see what actually fits you. You're not behind, you're not too late. You're perfectly positioned for your next chapter. Let's find your fit.